Now let's try to print all the elements. Since in the last tutorial what we have seen is we have just imported the package, we have created a query which is select star from student, and then we have registered the driver which is com.mysql.jdbc.driver. Then we have created the connection, created the statement object for the execution. And when you execute the query, what you will get is the result set, which is a table. And to traverse, we used rs.next. But using these lines, we are only able to print one record, right? But we want to print multiple records. So we want to print all the records available in your database. For that, what we can do is we can simply use a while loop. So we can use a while loop and we'll put all this block in this while loop. But hold on, what will be the condition for while loop? So the condition should be the number of records, right? But how would I know the number of records? So we need a method called as rs.next. So if you remember, I have already told you that rs.next has two purposes. One is to shift your pointer to the next record and to verify that is there is a next record available. So if I run this now, you can see the output is it's all the records. Simple, right? So you can simply put your rs.next in a while loop to print all the records. Now what if I want this records to be in reverse order? So what if I want to print for Pooja, Manish 3, Archana 2, and Rahul 1? For that, what we can do is we can first jump to the last record using a method called as rs dot after last. So after last will take you to the a line or a point where after which is last, which is after puja. And then instead of saying next, what we can do is we can simply print previous. And now if we run this, so we are getting the output in reverse order. So what you have is you have certain methods like rs dot after last, which will take you to the last value. You have rs dot previous, which will take to the previous value. We have rs dot next for the next value. Then we have rs dot before first for the value before first. So and we have first rs dot first, and then we have rs dot last, which will take to the last point. So rs is a result set which has multiple methods to traverse between your records. Clear? In fact, we can even specify instead of number, we can specify a column name which is s name, and here we can specify as roll number. Even if we run this now, so we'll say run as application, and the output is same. So this is how we can use multiple methods of result set.